Welcome to this video. So if you're still a little bit confused on the hamstring stretches and using the band and doing either the counts or the static hold, then that's what we'll go through today. Grab your towel or your band. If you're using a stretching TheraBand, I'd suggest using a stronger one just to give yourself a little bit of leverage. Have a lay down on your back. And you're going to loop the towel or the band around your foot, cross it over, so you're holding the other side of the band. With your towel, it just depends on how big the towel is, obviously. If you can't cross it over, that's okay. So you're going to start with your knee bent, and then as you're breathing out, you're going to straighten your leg, pull your toes towards you, and use the band or the towel just to pull that leg into getting a little bit of a stretch down the back of the leg. And then I get you bending your knee. So that's one. Breathing out, straighten the leg, pull your toes towards you, feel that stretch, and then bend your knee again to ease off. So that's two. Straighten your knee, pull your toes towards you, straighten that leg, and then bend your knee. That's three. Keep going. So you're breathing out, straighten the knee, feel the stretch, breathing in as you bend. That's four. And then straighten the leg again. That's five. Breathing in as you bend your knee, breathing out as you straighten for six. Breathing in as you bend, breathing out as you straighten, that's your seven. Breathing in as you bend, breathing out as you straighten, that's your eight. Breathing in as you bend, breathing out as you straighten, that's nine. And then for your 10, breathing in and then breathing out, you're going to straighten that leg, feel that stretch. So that's your 10 repetitions. Ideally, when you're doing this yourself, you want to go with your own breathing pattern. Some people breathe a little bit faster, some people slower, so just make sure you're going at your own pace. If you want to hold it, if you want to try the static hold, you're going to straighten your knee, pull your toes towards you, use the band or the towel just to pull in for that stretch, and then you're going to hold it there. So you're going to keep that stretch sensation on. I've just started the timer, so we can do 20 seconds now. You might, after a little while, find that the stretch eases off, that stretch sensation, in which case you just want to pull just a little bit further into the stretch just to increase, and then you can slowly ease off. That's 20 seconds you've just done. We'll go over onto the right side. So loop the band or the towel around that right foot, cross the band over so you're holding the other side of the band, bend your knees. That's your start position. And then you're breathing out. You're going to straighten that right leg, pull your right toes towards you and use the band or the towel just to pull in for that stretch. And then bend your knee. That's one repetition. Breathing out. Straighten that right leg, pull your toes towards you. That's two. Breathing in as you bend and then breathing out as you straighten. So that's your three. Breathing in as you bend the knee, ease off the stretch. And then breathing out, straighten that leg, pull your toes towards you. That's your four. Breathing in as you bend, breathing out, straighten. That's your five. So 5 repetitions. Breathing in and then breathing out for 6. Breathing in, bend your knee, breathing out, straighten. That's your 7. And then breathing in and breathing out, use that band to pull in for a stretch for your 8 repetitions. Breathing in as you bend the knee, breathing out as you straighten, that's your 9. And then breathing in and breathing out, straighten, that's your 10 repetitions. So it can be nice and quick and easy like that. We'll go for that 20-second hold. So when you are ready, I'll get you straightening the leg, pull your toes towards you, use the band to pull in for that stretch. Time has started for your 20 seconds. So all you need to do is just hold it there. But if you feel the stretch sensation ease off a little bit, just use the band or the towel to pull in just to increase the stretch just a little bit more. Got less than 5 seconds to go. And you can slowly ease off. Take the towel or the band away. Those are your 2 options. Either the movements, 10 repetitions, you can do 2 or 3 lots of 10, or you can do the 20-second hold. So hopefully that clarifies it a little bit for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon.